I am Muhammad Usman and I am research scholar at UT Texla, Pakistan. And my topic is mapping transformational lean maturity model for discrete part industry. I am there in my research work. My co-author is Dr. Wasim Ahmad. He is a professor at UT Texla. And contents of my presentation is introduction, methodology, results, conclusion, and recommendations. Introduction. Basically, my topic is about the lean manufacturing. It is about to minimize the waste and focus on customer value. Lean manufacturing is basically a new term and it is introduced by Toyota Production System, and their leaders are Womack and Jones, and who published their book in which they sort out how we can achieve higher production rate, minimize waste. Waste are of many types like inconsistency, extra time, and cycle times. Therefore, I focus on assessment of lean manufacturing. There are two types of assessments, quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative basically focus on values like assessment on based on questionnaires, etc., and scoring system. While qualitative are based on you say just visiting the factory and rate how you perceive their level of achievement, their level of working, shop floor, etc. Next is lean self-assessment. In my research work, I focused on lean self-assessment because I developed a model which assesses the industry on self basis. It means the managers, the leader of the organization, access the industry by their self. Uh, Next is the problem statement. Small and medium manufacturing industries of our country are second main source of economy, especially in Pakistan, like my country. So, in order to meet the demands of customer and exist in modern business market, our industries have to develop lean practices and techniques because there are some heavy imports in the country which deteriorates and hamper the production of our local industries. Therefore, this work will investigate the current lean practices and maturity level of lean manufacturing industries in Pakistan. It also addresses the procedure and strategies for improvement and desired future plan for them. The tool used for my assessment is Lean Enterprise Self-Assessment Technique, LESET, and it is developed by Lean Aerospace Initiative, developed by MIT. Aims uh, my research aim is basically develop a model that will access the lean manufacturing in industries to access the level of lean maturity. Lean maturity means the level of leanness, how much industry has achieved the leanness level. Third one is to assist the researchers and lean accessors. Lean accessors are the industry managers itself to understand the lean factors, the lean barriers, and highlighting the areas of deficiency. Next is lean research paper. Each paper is summarized and reads thoroughly. Lean manufacturing factors which author considered or worked in this research were highlighted. Next, a table has been generated for lean manufacturing factors against each research paper. Most occurring items has been selected. Research methodology. It is divided into four phases. Phase 1 is literature review, in which lean manufacturing techniques and tools are studied, lean assessment techniques, and lean maturity level. After reading and thoroughly accessing and the research paper, a research gap is found out. Next phase is industrial survey. This is the most important backbone of the research, in which factors are selected. Then questionnaire is developed, expert opinion. After that, lean self-assessment model is developed. Then the third step in this phase is selection of industries. The survey is distributed to different industries and data is collected. The phase 3 is related to data analysis, in which SPSS software, statistical package for social sciences, is used. And the fourth phase is as is and to be model. As is means what current practices the industries are using, and to be model their future plan. And after that, conclusion is found out. And this is the literature review method, in which first lean, there the 3M of leans, that is type of waste. Seven type of weights are studied. The next is lean philosophy. Lean principle are studied. Lean principle basically the value identification, value stream mapping, create flow, pull system. All lean principles are based on this. Next, the lean tools are thoroughly studied to find out how I can develop the lean self-assessment model. The last is lean assessment on the basis of above four steps, uh, utilizing the LeSAT tool and lean assessment factors. Also, the gap identified at the end. These are the list of the factors which I identified. Number one is leadership, inventory, production processes, continuous improvement, cost, on-time delivery, power and energy, maintenance, lean tools, quality, and trainings. These are the most occurring factors in previous research, and most of the authors identified them. These factors I considered for my model and accesses industries of Pakistan. All these 12 factors are categorized in three groups. Number one is management level, which include leadership, communication, and training, because these are related to management. Next factors are shop floor level, because these are very, very important at shop floor level, because quality is maintained in product, our products, how we machine them, how we can achieve the level of accuracy, precision, etc. All depends on the our quality of work. Similarly, inventory continuous improvement is very important. As we encounter a problem, we must rectify and develop a improvement plan to avoid any other problem or similar problem in future. Similarly, lean tools, maintenance of everything, machines, etc. And last is lean energy. Lean energy, it means all the equipments, all the uh, auxiliary tools we are using in the industry, they must be energy efficient, regarding environmental, regarding uh, electricity, etc. Okay. uh, Now moving towards the results section. Uh,
You
Here
have
I
two
will
minutes
explain.
more, Mr.
Okay,
Muhammad. You
okay,
have 2 minutes more.
okay, ma'am. I will try to. Okay, the results are summarized in this slide. Leadership, their current state and future state, and ranks. After conducting the survey, I have summarized the results. It was summarized in this slide, and it is ranked on the basis of their score. As leadership and communication, you see, are the top, and they are the most occurring and have high score. After that, uh, these are the radar charts, in which I consider a leadership. On leadership, it is further accessed on the basis of four perspective: leadership traits, vision, strategy, foster skill, and cost reduction. And you see leadership traits on the current. The blue line shows the current state, and the orange one is future state. You see current state is 3.4. It means leadership rates are average in an industry. Similarly, VN and strategy for becoming linear, for implementing the lean, it is also around 3.1. Similarly, for next factors communication, you see around these scores are around 3 to 3.5. And while you see the future plan, it is also very near to 3.5. Some are 4 and 4.5. It means that some of our managers, our people, are trying to improve their self, but not much. Similarly, the trainings, you see, it is also around the average value. Lean tools, lean tools are very important for the shop floor level. Production processes, which are standardized processes, total productive maintenance, employee improvement. involvement. These are
Thank
also
you,
around.
Mr.
These are the means and standard values, and I will move the conclusion. So overall, the leanness score is 3.2, and future state 3. I ignored the round of values 3 and 4. It means that the lean maturity level in industries of Pakistan are 3. That workers and staff have knowledge about lean, and they try to adopt the lean manufacturing as far as possible. Similarly, in future, they are planning to move one level above and striving to achieve more and more. And at last, I some suggested the plans which these are listed, and the most you see the barrier in implementing the lean is lean culture and our hesitant to improve ourselves. We uh, prefer to live as it is. Therefore, it is suggested that we should change our minds and move to the leaner environment. It will improve our productivity, economy, and profits. Thank you so much. And this is all about the presentation.